Hi, I'm Marc Alvarez from Sips Barcelona, and I'm back to celebrate the 3rd anniversary of Savoia with another cocktail creation. This time, to make the one single ingredient cocktail with Savoia Orancio, we inspired on savory ingredients. We're gonna combine the red onion pickle sauce with the citrusy notes of Savoia, having an outstanding cocktail, savory and sweet. This time, using Savoia Orancio. We are making the pickle. Start by putting Savoia Orancio into a mixing glass. Add your onion pickle sauce made from honey, vinegar, cherry and red onions. Stir well and put into a rocks glass filled with ice. Top it off with an olive coated in Italicus. The result, a unique aperitivo that balances sweetness and savory notes. Salute!